got to see one of our latest episodes. It was with Miami Mango in Sacramento. And for those who don't know, this is the infamous Miami Mango. Alex.
What's up, Jed? How are you, man?
What's going on? Good to
Nice
see you.
to see you again.
Yeah.
You gotta stop meeting like this once a year.
Yeah.
You gotta make it more often.
What is new for ThinkGrow, Mango Tech?
All right, so this year we got three new innovative products. You know, like true fashion, like Tollmaster, we're always bringing the game up.
Yeah.
And well, last year was the ICLs, which is the inner canopy, and ICL 300s because they shine 300 degree. And this show we got the ICLs 150. We were calling them UCLs, but I think we're going to rename it. We're going to call it the ICLs 150 because there's a V at the top of the light, so it shines on 150 degrees. So you can use it as an under canopy light, or you can also use it as a side light. This is right here. This is what we got right here.
Okay.
And you can use it as an under canopy light, or you can put it on the side of a wall, and you can use it as a side lighting. So 150 watts, fully spectrum tunable. You know, it has your whites, your reds, whether it's deep red or far red, and then UV. And same thing with Tollmaster, you can adjust it. The other thing that we have is we have, as you can see, we have two sets of lifters in this rack. The old lifters are for a single tier, you know, normal application. And these are low profile lifter for a multi-tier application. Really slim.
Yeah,
slim
doesn't take
line.
up any space, eh?
Yes,
Like
super
it really
cool.
gets in super tight.
Super cool, yeah, very innovative. And then what that lifter does is actually saves you money because you don't have to run your lights at 100%. You can bring down the light to the canopy, you know, lower the strength, same PPFD, and you get the same results.
Yeah, that's one of the things I love about Trollmaster is the quantum sensor. You can actually raise the lights and actually have the lights dimmed and don't waste wattage lighting up walls.
Exactly, and that way, if you don't have them full at 100%, then you run them at 50%. Your AC is not working as hard either, which is saving you guys, you know, more money at the end of the day.
Every watt should be put into yield
Exactly.
versus wasted, and
This
every
is
foot
cool.
that light travels, typically with HPS, you lose half the intensity.
And the same thing kind of with, you know, same thing with any light, you know, it loses intensity the farther it goes. So that's why we bring the light to the canopy. And lastly, the last item that we have is a brand new greenhouse controller. If you can remember when we brought the controllers from Tollmaster, we brought the HydroX Junior, the HCS1. I dubbed it the Junior, so now we have a greenhouse controller called it. It's going to be the Junior because eventually we'll develop, we'll learn from that one. And then we're going to eventually get to the greenhouse controller Pro per se. Plus, and then the Pro. That's what we got.
Super exciting. Hey, thank you so much. Always a pleasure.
Absolutely.
And,
I can't wait to have you guys back to the facility again and redeem myself because building an nature line, this guy knows better than anybody. It's tough. You know, it's tough. So,